Assalamu alaikum dear students. Last time you have learned that how to insert a table in the Word document. Today we will see that what are the different properties of table and how we can add new row, new columns, and how we can delete the rows and column. These type of things today we will discuss in the lecture. Listen it carefully and do the practice of all these things at home. Here I am going to add a table in the Word document. You can see over here I have entered insert this table, and you can see that here table tools is shown here. Two tabs of the table are here. This first tab, design tab, it is giving us different options to apply different styles, to apply different border with the different options. I will give you a quick recap of the last lesson, that how we can apply borders on the table quickly. First I will select the border style. Any border style you can select here. This is also the border style line, means what type of border style will be there. You can see here I'm going to apply this thick border because it will be more visible to you. Here you can select the width of the line, that how much it will be thick. Here I have selected, and now I am going to select the pen color, and now I will apply all borders. Here you can see that only one cell is surrounded with a border. Why is it happened? Because I haven't selected the table. I select the table, and now I will apply all these properties again on the table like this, all borders. You can see that the table is bordered from inside and outside. If we will learn about the layout tab. Have a quick view of the tab. Here are the different options. We will start from the delete option. Here there are four options: delete cells, delete column, delete rows, delete table. If you want to delete any of the thing from the table, you will select that and then click from here on the delete option. Like I want to delete this whole column, I will just, it will also give me this option here on this. This is also called mini toolbar. This is called mini toolbar. I can also apply this function from here, delete column. You can see that the columns are deleted. In this way we can delete the column. If I want to delete the row, entire row, I will just select the row, and then I am working on the laptop, that's why I am feeling difficulty in selecting. Okay, now I will delete the entire row in this way. There are three cells. Now I want to add one cell below the first cell. I will click here, insert above. I will insert a row here. You can see the row is added here. Why is it added here? Because my cursor is blinking in the second cell, and the row is inserted above the second row. Again, look, I am going to write here something. Now you can look here, I click on insert above. A row is inserted above the cell in which I was working. It means कि जहाँ आप काम कर रहे होंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका ये फंक्शन परफॉर्म होगा. Like insert below, you can see here my cursor is blinking here. And if I click on insert below, what will happen? It will insert a row below. In the same way, if I'm here in this cell and I want to insert the column, here is the option insert column, insert left. It means a column will be inserted on the left side of this selected cell. जिस सेल में मैंने डाटा एंटर किया हुआ उससे वो लेफ्ट साइड में इंसर्ट होगा. हैव अ लुक. In the same way, if I want to insert on the right side, I will click on the cell and then I will click on the right, insert right. In this way, column is inserted. This is how we can insert row and column from the layout tab. But there is another way. You can you have a look here. Is it visible? This plus sign is visible to you? This is used to insert another column like this. In the same way, we have this plus sign here with the row. When you click here, this will show you the plus sign. In this way, you can insert row. Is it clear, boys? Now we will move toward the merge group. The first option is merge cell. Like I want to merge all these cells, I will just select the cells and click on merge cells. Have a look. Cells are merged and now your whole row is a single cell. Merge means merge the cell more than two or more than two cells, and it will become a single cell after merging it. In the same way, if I want to split the cell, what is meant by split cell? A cell will be split into two. Split means to distribute. I will click on it and now you can see number of columns, how many columns you want. रो तो आपकी एक ही रहेगी because here is only one cell, and if you want to add more columns you will add more. Like I am going to add here only 2 columns and then I will click on OK. You can see that the column is merged and column is split into, cell is split into 2 cells. Is it clear? This is all about today. Inshallah we will do more options in the next lecture. Thank you.